Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the best performance mode to boost your performance on HP OMEN Transcend 14. To do it, go to Settings, then in Settings you may find System, Power and Battery, and now in Power mode you can set it separately for when plugged in and when on battery. And if you set it to best performance, that'll increase the performance of your laptop. But it's worth noting that it uses more power. That's why I prefer to keep it on balanced when on battery and only set it to best performance when plugged in. But even if both are set to best performance, your laptop will still have greater performance if it's plugged in. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.